Hey everyone, Brian Christopher here. I'm here at San Manuel Casino with 16 people. We've each put in $200. That's $3,200 in 4 games. Say hello to your contestants. All right, here we go. Wish us luck. All right, here we go. We're playing Blazing Gems Max Bet. It's a $1 machine. We're doing $27 a spin, and check this puppy out. It's reserved for us. That's right, BrianGables.com. Are you ready to go? All right, so we're gonna hit the Max Bet for Progressive button. Let's line it up, guys. There you go. $36 hit.
Okay, I'll take it.
So you're doing 7 spins. You're counting, right?
2.
All right, do it.
Got it.
We want to get 3 jackpot symbols in a row.
3.
Line it up. Line it up. Yeah! Times 4 and times 3, $114. Keep going.
Count. Number 5. 5.
Come on, get it! Oh, no! Everyone is excited. That is a line in the middle. So that would have been $1,270. All right, how many more spins you got there?
Oh my God, that's 2 more, I think, right?
2 more. All right, go ahead.
6. This is it. Come on.
And it's your 7th spin.
Lucky number 7. Go. 7 from 11.
Line it up. Oh. All right, here's the next person up. Spinner number 2. Let's do it. Let's go. You get 7 spins. Here we go. Where's those jackpots hiding? 1. Oh. A little hit there. Oh, almost. Got some 7. 5 times? No. Get it. Oh. Rude. Oh. Darn it. Okay, let me just double check. That to there is not actually a line, so it wouldn't have mattered anyways. I would have screamed for nothing. All right, you ready for your 7 spins? All right, let's do it. Here we go. Oh. Line it up. Looking for those big jackpots. Come on, baby. Line it up. Oh. 1, 2. Right there. Oh. That's okay. That's 66. 60 there and 6 up there. 1. Oh. Another 6er. Come on! 7s. Yeah. All right. $30. All right. Is it your turn? Are you my 3rd person to spin?
That's 4.
Number 4. Are we on 4th already? All right.
All right, it's Mike Robinson.
So we have 7 more spins.
Mike Robinson, max betting. Let's go.
Buddy, yeah.
Woo! Max bet.
1.
Get it! Get it!
Oh. Line it up. Oh my gosh. Get it! Oh, rude. It's your last spin? Or 2 more?
That's a 6.
That's 6. 1 more.
And
go.
Nice. You got your 7s. Okay. All right, guys. We just took our $800 down to $377. We're gonna cash that out and move on to our next machine for $800. Alright, it's time for Lightning Link. Here we go. We are max betting, and according to our calculations, max bet is $50 a spin. We have $800 in there, which means we only get 16 spins. I don't even know if that's right. Okay. So, why don't you start us out? You ready, Marilee? Yes. Okay, so
4 spins.
You get 4 spins, yes. We have 4 spinners at 4 spins each.
Okay.
You ready, guys? Here we go! Okay, so that was $50. We're right. Okay. Spin number 2. Come on, briefcases. We need 3 briefcases or 6 chips for a bonus.
Here we go. This is it.
Rude. Nothing. Oh, darn. All right. Who's up next? Come on in there. We're looking for a big win on Lightning Link. Do it to it. Oh, rude. 2 of them. 1, 2. One more. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh, nothing. All right, we're halfway through our spins, halfway through our money. Our third spinner's coming up right now. All we need to hit is 1 bonus.
1 bonus.
No pressure. Let's do it. Let's do it. Go ahead. Yeah. Line it up.
Come on, baby.
That minor would be nice. It's $500.
Your
Oh,
face
yes.
is gonna hit it.
There we go. Smack that face. Come on. No. 1 chip away. That would have been delicious.
Here we go.
Oh my goodness. Last spin.
Got it.
Wow. Nada. 1 more spinner with 4 spins. We have so far done 12 spins, have hit nothing. It all comes down to you. No pressure. Anything? Oh. There we go. Finally hit something at least.
Oh, there we go. Woo!
Don't write home yet. It's not. $80 hit. Okay. There we go again. Nice. Okay. I'm seeing like $100 or something there, maybe. I don't know.
Oh no! Nice job. That's a good one.
All right, let's speed it up. Can't do that. There we go, $120. You have one more spin?
Yes.
Last spin of Lightning Link. Let's do it.
Get it. Come on. You can do it.
Another hit for another $5, I believe that is. Well, you got all your money back, so thank you for that. We appreciate it, and you got us a little profit of $5. We're cashing out at 205 and moving on to machine number 3. Okay, here's Genie Wishes. We are max betting. We have $800. Max bet is $50. This one right here. $50 a spin. Do it to it.
Come on.
Line it up. It's a $1 machine. $10 hit.
Yes, we need more.
Nothing there. All right. Wait. Was that okay? All right. That was your 4 spin?
Yes.
All right. Here's number 2. Come on over. Let's do it. Line it up. Oh, rude. Bird. Beautiful. $225. High five. Nice. All right. Keep going. Okay. Thank you very much. Spinner number 3. You haven't spun yet, right? All right. You get 4 spins. Max bet. Let's do it. Line it up. Oh, rude. That is so rude. Darn it. Come on, Wild. Let's come back around.
Timing is everything, right?
Timing is everything. There you go. We need to line those 7s up. Was that 4 or 3? That was only 3, right? Yeah, okay.
One more?
Yeah, man, you get 4 spins. Oh, shoot. Here's our 4th spinner. Our 4th and final spinner. You get 4 spins. Yeah, check out that t-shirt. Amazing. Love that shirt. Where did you get that?
Online.
Casinoswag.com. There we go. All right. Max bet is the good one. Line it up. Come on, baby. Match those faces. Bars. Oh. Rude is right. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's your last spin. Ah, rude. All right, we're taking that 235 and we're going to our final machine. It's our final machine, double da Vinci diamonds. Hello, Mona. We are ready to go again. This is our last machine. We have $1,000 on this one. Maximum bet is 9 lines times $5. Is there a volunteer who can count my 10 spins?
I will.
Everybody because I can't count. I've already told them this. Here we go. There's one $50 hit. It's too many. It's 5 spins. Yeah, I'm doing 5 spins. Okay. I won 75. There we go. All right, here we go. There we go. Oh, it's only a 9-line game. Those are your lines. Memorize them. Okay. Oh, those are wild. We want those. Come on, ugly dude. How many is that? That's 5. Okay, you're next up. Come on over. I'm ready. Are you ready? Do it. Come on, Joyce, let's do it. Oh, Mona, almost.
3. Mona Lisa.
Yeah, there's something there.
Yeah.
$100. Hello. It's not done yet. It's done now. Okay.
That's 3, 6, 4.
Oh!
Oh!
We need 3 of those free games.
5.
There's Mona. 125. We're looking for free games. Come on. Right here. Right there. Oh! Darn it. Not bad. Who's next? There's Simona, 75 again. Line it up.
3. 4. Oh no.
Come on.
Oh, nada. 5 spins. Oh, free games right there. Come on, free games.
Come on.
Oh. Oh, again, only 2. Darn it. 2 more. There you go. There's something. $50. 1 second. You got some blue ones now. Oh, very close.
That's it. Yes.
Oh, shoot. Okay, so we are cashing out at $575. Let me do our tally and see where we're at. Okay, guys, after the tally, we started with $200 each. We're going home with $80 a person. We still had a lot of fun. We sure did. Thank you. Thank you all for joining me. And if you guys want to join me for a group poll, go to briangambles.com. I have 7 or 8 coming up in August alone. We got more in September and everywhere else. So come join us, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!